Hey guys, welcome back to episode 4 of the video editing course. I hope you guys are enjoying this course. And of course, today in this episode, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add text and also how to customize the text in your videos. Again, not a very long episode. It's quite simple and easy to add text as well as customize. Easier than, I would say, than Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. So hope you guys enjoy this video and episode. And if you still know someone who wants to learn video editing on Filmora, then please go ahead, share this playlist, share this course with them, and hopefully you guys enjoy this episode too. Peace. So as you can see on my screen right here, we have the same clip as last time, the movie scene, and today we're gonna go and head up to this part of the video editing software where you can see titles. And there are, as you can see, many different types of title effects from these are the trending ones. So title effects, you have the plain text, 3D titles, VFX text, and a lot more. But we're just gonna go with the simple default, the default title. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drag this on top of my video. And as you can see here, we have our little title text box. So I can literally do anything with this. I can type whatever I want. I can, say hello, or how, but basically anything, any type of text you want to add. So let's just say, so this is going to be my text for this video. And as you can see here down the bottom, I can, on the timeline, I can adjust the length of the text box. So if I wanted to be the same duration as the movie scene, the clip below, then I can drag it just where this line meets, and I know that I have matched it up. Or if I want it to be just halfway, and I can just drag it over here, and we're done. But if I wanted to edit my text in terms of increasing, decreasing the font, changing the font, and so on and so forth, so I'm going to double click on the title. And on this right side, you can see that because I've clicked on the title, that I have now all the options for the text. So I can change what's written in the text. I can change the fonts. So if I want something like italic, and by the way, Filmora has tons and tons of fonts that you can use, from the most ordinary to the most aesthetic fonts. So if I want to choose, let's say, very aesthetic font, let's say this one. So of course we see that it's changed, and I can increase, decrease the size of the text by dragging on this text box, or I can change it from here. So I can type, let's say 90, I want a 90, or I want, let's say 130. So I can change it through there. And I can also change the text color to any other color I want. If I want a more abstract color, I can change it through here, and much more. You have presets as well, which if you click, then you have, of course, different styles of text. Other than that, you can also change the, of course, scale, like I mentioned, position where you want it. You can also do that by just dragging it around. You can also include a background. Oh, by the way, compositing is a advanced feature. You can add a background to your text. So you see that if I've enabled it, now I have a background outline. Of course, if you want to have an outline on your text, just to make it stand out from the rest, that's also great. You can also animate your text. So if I go into animation, and now let's just say select this first one, you can also, change the duration of the animation. And so if we just play this, and now as you can see, we have text that's animated. There are many different types of animations that you can find on Filmora, from zoom ins to zoom outs, to flares, to glitches, to many more just for text. There's also a quick text icon on the bottom here in your control panel, where if you just select the T icon, which says quick text, then you can obviously just insert a text here, a new text, but it's not going to be your default text, which is at the same size as this one. So it's more like a subtitle thing. Other than that, I do recommend you do play around with the text options. There are many different options you can do with the text, many different customizations, and of course a lot more than that. So if you guys really enjoyed this episode, then please go ahead, give it a like, subscribe as well. And if you do know someone still who is keen on learning video editing, then make sure you share this course, share this playlist with them, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.